Tell me why I forgot the baby diaper bag. And I'm going to our doctor's appointment. So, you know, once you take the diaper off, you have to put a clean diaper on. I don't know how that's going to work. So I'll see you guys later. Good morning, guys. So I don't know what day today is. Today's Sunday. Yeah. December 4th, I believe. Happy Vlogmas Day 4. So the video went up late today for day 3 because I fell asleep last night. I was so tired. I'm sitting here nursing Madison, and then after that we gotta go pick up a piano from our pastor's house and take it to the I think we're gonna donate it. I don't quite remember what we're gonna do with it. I have to ask my husband. This child is wiggling around. Why is this dog subjecting my child to this mess? I need to hurry up before she wakes up. He thinks it's so funny. So, it's 11:50 a.m. I just got up and I'm sorry, guys. I totally forgot to pick up the camera today to vlog. But I'm getting ready to put the babies to bed. You want to say goodnight to me? I'm in my... Don't worry, guys. I'm not naked.
I said you and
but I'm getting ready to put the babies. Yeah. See, you guys are very close right now. Yeah. Better lighting?
Get out of the kitchen.
Okay lighting?
Get out of the kitchen.
Awesome lighting.
I wish we could time travel.
But anyways, we're getting ready to put the babies down. The tree is up per the children. I'm not sure if that's where it's staying. I'm too lazy right now to move it. But for right now, that will do. So thanks to the babies, they're having Christmas. He doesn't like to be in camera. That's extra stuff I have to edit out. But yeah, I have to walk slow because we're PG-13 in this house. Honey, are we putting the babies to bed?
Yes.
Alright, let's go. Juju, 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 go home. Juju, go home. Go home. Good boy. Stay there. Stay there. Juju, stay. Good boy. Go put the babies to bed.
I told you that.
Maddie's over there sleeping for right now.
They need to change those sheets in there.
What's on your floor? What's on your floor? What do you mean this? Oh, nonchalant. What do you mean this? Under your bed. What's that stuff under your bed?
What do you mean they're creepy?
What's that box doing in here?
This?
So why don't you put them away?
This thing?
Yeah.
This was in here. I hate it.
What's on your floor? Clean up your floor, please. And close your closet door. I'm coming back to say goodnight. Hi. I see you took the stuff off your bed and just threw it on the floor.
I'm sorry.
Look at your desk over here.
It's messy.
I don't like coming in y'all room because y'all room makes me angry.
No, look what she did with her dolls.
I turned there.
Battery's dying, so.
Because they're creepy.
No, this child didn't.
They're creepy.
She's
talking to each other.
okay. They look
Why?
like they just been
What, you
spinning.
scared of dolls now? Huh?
No, they're creepy.
You've been watching too much TV.
Alright, get in your beds. Good morning, guys. So today is Monday, December 5th. Here you go.
No, sharp one.
I'm not in the mood for that. Let's go. And Madison has a doctor's appointment. Do you hear her screaming? So I'm gonna go and take her to her doctor's appointment. You guys are welcome to come along, and I will see you guys there. Tell me why I forgot the baby diaper bag. And I'm going to her doctor's appointment. So you know, once you take the diaper off, you have to put a clean diaper on. I don't know how that's gonna work, so I'll see you guys later. So I found diaper at the dollar store for $1. They were Angels of Mine, size 1. They didn't have any newborns though. And it's 6 counts. 6 diapers, $4. And a pack of wipes, $4. Wait a minute, wait. They feel cheap though, but what can you expect? It's a dollar store. 32 wipes, $4. And Skittles for the 4-year-old. So, that's a lifesaver. But I can't be out for too long because I still don't have all her stuff.
Open it.
Here go Maddie.
Open it.
She's mad. She wants her food. Say hi.
Hello.
Watch out, Jill. Say hi, Maddie.
Hi.
Say I'm here for my appointments.
Hey. Open it.
No, that's not how you ask for things.
Open it.
How do you ask? What do you say? Please? Hello? Please?
Please?
Okay. Let me go open this for the child and I'll be right back. So, I just finished. I had to stop by my children's school because my daughter's teacher wanted to meet Madison. So I figured since we were already out for the day, I would just stop by and let her teacher, because she was the twins 3rd grade teacher as well. So I've known her now for 2 years. So she wanted to meet Madison.
That makes me sick.
Yeah. Get in your seat and put your belt. We're about to leave. And also the secretary, known her for 6 years now. Because the kids went to pre-K here. The boys went to pre-K at this school. So I'm contemplating whether or not I want to go to Target. I really need to shop for my Secret Santa from the Real Woman of YouTube. I really need to shop for her. And
your Santa with a book?
My nails fell off on this finger.
Mommy.
And also on this finger. Sorry, I'm not flipping the bird.
Santa
It's just
with a book?
yeah.
That's a present?
Yeah. So I'm gonna go and do that and then go pick up dinner. So I'll talk to you guys later.
Then pick up the angel.
Yes. Here's to ending the vlog. Let's end the vlog. So today was Madison's doctor's appointment. She weighed in at 7 pounds 9 ounces, and she's 19.5 inches long now. So that's Maddie's 2-week update. Ooh, see how red my eyes are? I'm tired. I took Benadryl because my husband is convinced that I'm allergic to the cat, because my coughing started right after we got the cat. So he thinks I'm allergic to the cat.
I'm not.
So yeah, that's about it. So that's it for today's vlog. I'll start tomorrow's vlog tomorrow. That's it for today's vlog.
Mommy,
Kids are off to bed.
Mommy.
And I'm about to go edit this video so you can watch it later.
Mommy, this green thing.
To be honest, people, I'm annoyed. But you can't really tell. So, thank you guys so much for watching. And I will see you guys in tomorrow's vlog. Bye.